Yeah, Austin. I got it covered up, so, but I got it filming. Got the camera on it over there.
Let me see. Solid steel. I don't think it's going to go through the cardboard yet.
Well, it's not gonna go through cardboard. This is steel, but it can go that way.
It is?
Yeah, the BB, what did the BB fall out? BB was in there. It's still in there.
No, there's nothing in there.
Jiggle it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now it was.
I'm covering the whole thing. Don't you want to kind of be zoomed out so you can see everything?
Well, you can, I suppose.
But we're not going to see the...
Like glass isn't... Let go of it. No.
Should we zoom in and watch this?
Whatever
Can't
you
really
want.
see it, can you?
Whatever you want.
Oh, if we're going to zoom out that far, might as well go the whole distance. And see if we can't.
I'd rather see the coil. I'd rather have zoom on the coil so we can see what the coil's doing. I mean, if it shoots, fine. But if it doesn't,
Yeah. It's about as good as you're going to be able to get it. Okay. Ready? BB still in there?
BB still in there. Yeah. It's not gonna go any better than that.
Well, otherwise it's just...
String isn't. I just want to. If something goes flying, I just want to protect the lens. That's all I'm after.
Okay, well then you might want to make it so it doesn't have this big gap right here.
It won't. If it's all going to go this way. It's all coming from this direction.
Not if it hits this and goes bouncing off.
Well, I'm not really worried about that.
Okay, is it all charged or do you still have to charge it?
It's all charged.
Was it holding its charge though? I thought it wasn't.
It's got 300 volts on it right now.
Okay, ready?
Let me get out of here.
Well, someone has this.
Okay. Do it. There you go. Shot it.
Did you shoot two?
No, just one. Oh, that was it. Maybe it was in there.
It wasn't in there.
Oh, okay. Well, it shot it. Yeah, I heard it hit. Okay, now put it back in there. We'll charge it. We'll charge it again. Try it.
Okay.
Did you put the BB back in?
Yep, BB's in.
Now we'll go for a little more oomph in it.
How long can you like, ready?
Go ahead. Woo! Yeah.
No dents though.
No dents, no. That's... You're going to have to get a... maybe with multiple.
Let's see what happens.
Mm-hmm.
How long can you hold this in here? Will they
Well,
explode?
it's only good for 400. Well, it won't explode, but I don't know what
Like, what if we keep it in here for like a minute?
it won't matter. Just watch. You don't want to go above.
It's gonna
No,
stop.
no, no. Okay, pull it out. Okay, fire. I just heard the one here.
They probably did at the same time. Or that the other one's in there.
No.
It's not in there.
Should have pulled them both through. But it's coming through pretty good.
Let's see now.
Okay, now let's watch it. Well, we can... I only put it on there in case it blew up. So we can see what happens.
Well, I want to see
Well, you
how
can
fast
watch
this is coming
it.
out.
Now watch it. You stand right there and watch it.
Okay.
Stand right there and watch it.
Wait just a sec. It's kind of warm.
It's warm?
It's kind of warm, not really warm. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, I didn't see that.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
There's one over here.
This must have been the other one. Yeah, I didn't see it. You don't see it.
Goes pretty good then, huh?
But it's not hitting really hard. I mean, it's not denting this at all. So, bigger capacitor. I put it in there. You're gonna put 3 in there?
Bigger capacitor.
To hold more power.
Try a piece of paper right now.
Well, I would just want to see what the mark, if it leaves a mark.
Get a piece of paper.
I was just wanting to see what kind of mark it left. Here, go ahead.
Well, we'll leave a mark then. Well, you hold it.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Don't you have to unplug it first?
Nope, shouldn't have to. I got it wired up, so it shouldn't have to. Ready?
Go. They fired backwards.
They fire backwards?
Yeah. They never
Really?
even. Yeah.
Really? That's weird.
I put it in there though.
You got one in there?
Yeah.
Alright.
I think if you put more than 2, it must just fire them backwards for some reason.
Alright, here we go. Whoa!
Not quite.
It went through.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did.
I think no, because it bounced back and hit me.
No, it hit the wall.
I don't think it went through.
Yeah, it did.
I think it just like went like this, ripped
it
it.
went through. I'm telling you, it went through.
Here, let's try this.
How's the coil doing?
It's not that bad. I'm not sure if it went through.
Well, let's get something set up a little bit different.
Here, just try it. Shoot it one more time. I don't know if it went through. I want to see if it did.
Alright. Ready? Is it bolted in there?
Oh, did you? I didn't put one in. Ready?
360 volts firing. It went through both.
It's going there pretty fast. Probably fast as a BB gun. Probably not.
No, not if it's not going. BB gun will shoot through this easily.
Well, not. But it's always been against this though too.
Well, no, it's been leaning up against it.
Try it.
Try it.
Yeah, I doubt it's gonna.
I don't think it's gonna. $70. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Close your eyes. Look away. You don't know where that's gonna bounce. Yeah.
Almost right here.
Yeah. Those cardboard gives. I could see it when it hit. It, you know, it gives a little bit.
So
Put it in there. It's charged, so I gotta delete. I gotta kill it. You can watch it probably. Just keep your eyes squinted.
there's no power in it.
What's wrong? Well, it should be.
Why is it building?
It's getting power from the meter.
Oh. Two buttons. Two buttons.
Well, the setup and how I wired it so charge. When it's up, it's charging. And when you press down, it breaks the connection and makes the connection back to the coil. Now, the way you get more power,
More capacity.
2 ways. No. 2 things. Voltage. Higher voltage. Well, I really can't go any higher. Unless you get a different capacitor.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you can't even if we do that. Because the transformer isn't going to go higher. So the limiting factor right now is transformer voltage.
Well, this just puts power in these, doesn't it?
But it controls the voltage. That's what has the voltage.
So we need to get a different capacitor so we can
Well,
put more volts.
if you go higher voltage, yes, you're going to get different capacitors for more volts. And a different transformer, you go higher. Now we can double it. We can get to about 800 volts. The problem with 800 volts is none of this wire is rated for 800 volts. It's only 600 volt rated. Now,
What about this?
that, I think that's 2000 volt rated.
Yeah. So, well, this would, none of these wires hold up to 800 volts.
They'd work. They'd work because they're new. All this stuff is new. These wires are.
So, is anything rated up to 800 volts?
Everything here is highest you can really run is 600 volts. So you're operating within the same, and you got what you want. So don't get excited and go, hey, bigger, better. Now, you may be able to get more power out of it by winding smaller coil, less resistance, more current.
Mm-hmm.
More current, maybe a bigger field. Okay? Because current through your coil is what's developed in the field. Okay. Right now, that is only about 1 ohm. You got almost 360 volts. That's 360 amps for 1 That's a lot of amps. I mean, 360 amps will run a small building easily. The house doesn't even run it. The house runs on 60.
And yet it won't repel a BB.
The reason is because, and the reason this works is because the time it fires is so small compared to the field, the length of the field, and the BB traveling down that field. If the BB doesn't, you'd probably get a quarter of the way, and the field is already dead.
So we want to lengthen. Can we like cut it down how fast it spills the power in?
No, you don't want to do that. Now, what we can do is see if it works. We can have this double. This will more than double the capacity. Okay, and what that's going to do is it's going to keep the field from collapsing as fast. But it may have the opposite effect. It may hold it too long and it may,
Slow it down. Well, won't it just make the field that much stronger?
No, because you're not going to get any more voltage
Out of what?
out of this. Because this is going to be
So
hooked
we
up.
need to get a new one, a different one of these.
If you want more voltage, yes.
So we need a new one of these, more capacitors, and better wire.
Or maybe find out how to wind the coil
Okay, well,
differently.
tomorrow we should look on the internet, see what some of these cost.
Those are pretty much.
These. There's one that will go up to 800 volt or however many volts. Online.
But it does what it needs to do. Now, maybe you put multiple, I don't know if you're here, that gets pretty, that'll get a little complicated.
We're having multiples. We're not going to have just 18. I mean, otherwise that would suffice for our project and we're done. We want to.
Yeah, you had accelerated the part.
But not very effectively. What?
Well, what's going to be effective?
I don't. That. It's just. The bigger, the better we can do it.
Alright.
So, like you said, about get a PVC pipe meter long, give or take, and wrap successive coils at intervals.
Well, it may not be exact. There was probably some inductance that was being set up, so it's probably
These are old too.
the power's gone pretty quick.
How does the capacitor work?